Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna go ahead and film a Q&A. My hair looks weird. I kind of just want to put it up like this, but it's probably not happening. If I look a little tired, it's because I just got off of work. So yeah, I just went ahead and changed and redid my makeup real quick. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this Q&A. So one of the questions, I got a lot of questions and some were pretty interesting and like very nosy in a way, but I did say like y'all can ask me whatever. So sorry, I was focusing. But yeah, so one of the questions, I'm gonna go ahead and read them off my laptop, and one of them was, what's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you? What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to me? Honestly, I don't think there's been anything that's like been super embarrassing that's happened to me. Like, I'm trying to think. I know there's like one time where like I walked to like I thought it was my mom's car, but it wasn't, and like I got in or something like that, and then I realized and I was like, oh my god, and so like I got back out. One of those, like something like that happened. So I guess it's not like super embarrassing. Another question was, who's your favorite YouTuber? My favorite YouTuber hands down has to be Katie, which is Luster Lux on YouTube, and I met her here in San Antonio at Lock and Terra when they were just opening up the Nick store, and she was there with John Ye, and I was so happy to meet her. And like I just met her like real quick, like she was going into the Nick store and I was like, Katie, can I get a picture with you? And like she was super nice and sweet, and if I remember correctly, she had blonde hair at the time. So yeah, that has to be my favorite YouTuber ever. And then let's see who else. I'd say her and Kathleen Lights. Those have to be like my top two. And then Nicole Guerrero and Jenny69. So I just named basically all my favorite ones. But yeah, let's go on to the next question. Let's see. I have a lot right here. There's like a list. It says, let me start from like the beginning. What's my favorite makeup brand? What's my favorite makeup brand? What's my favorite makeup brand? I don't know. That's honestly a good question. I don't really have a favorite makeup brand. I don't like off the top of my head. I'm gonna say that it was Anastasia Beverly Hills. That has to be my favorite makeup brand because I basically use a lot of their products, and like a lot of my glow kits are from them, and my powders and things like that, and my brows of course, and like my brows are something that's like super important on my face, so I'd say ABH. That's gonna be my favorite makeup brand for now. How much do you make at Academy? So starting off, I believe it's $9, and then you just work your way up basically. This one's kind of funny. It's like not funny, but like it's funny. It says a question, when you gonna stop playing and give me a chance, with like the little sad emoji. I don't know. I suppose we play a lot. It says, the next question is, will you ever go on a date with me? Here's the thing about dating and dates when it comes to me. So like, I'm gonna say yeah for sure we could link up or whatever, but I'm not gonna follow through because number one, I'm a chicken and I just get scared. Number two, I think I want to date, but then I don't think I want to date, so I'm just like eh. And number three, like I really want to go on dates, but like my type of dates, if that makes sense. I don't know, I just think for right now, no, I don't think I'll ever go on a date. Not like I won't ever go on a date with you, but it's more like I don't think I'll ever go on a date anytime soon, because this is like a random person asking me this, but yeah, I don't think I will. That one's kind of like a rough, touchy subject for me. I say I want to, but then I just always like BS it, and then I don't end up going. So then people always be telling me, why are we playing games, girl? Nah. Boy, don't even. It says, why are you so damn gorgeous? Thank you so much, and I like to thank my mother for her jeans and makeup. It says Lantern Fest. I think I know what that is, and I think it already passed, but if it hasn't, then maybe I'll go with you. I don't know. Like, I just went over the whole dating thing. Like, I feel like that's a date, and yeah. This is a really good question. The question is, do you have any regrets? No, I don't have any regrets with anything or anybody at all. I'd say that I feel like everything I've done up until now, that God basically put me on that path, and I shouldn't regret anything I did, you know what I mean? Because you're never gonna live again. Like, you only live once, and that type of stuff only happens once. You only meet that type of person once, things like that, you know what I mean? So people who have been in and out of my life, like, I don't regret anything, to be honest. So if there's things, I feel like there's a difference between regrets and things I would change. So there are some certain things I would change, but regrets, no, I don't have any regrets. Okay, what is your favorite kind of car? Favorite kind of car. Okay, my favorite kind of car is American Muscle Mustang. My lighting is about to fall. That's my favorite type of car, is a Mustang. Preferably the older one with like 1967 and stuff like that. I do own a 2011 blue Mustang, so yeah, but I don't really get to drive it as much. I drive a BMW instead. But yeah, that'd be my favorite type of car, it'd be a Mustang. And from like 1967 to 2011, that's like the years I like body styles. And like when it gets older, I'm kind of just like, they're okay. They don't look as mean, personally. What's your favorite place to eat? Or where's your favorite place to eat? My favorite place to eat, everybody knows, is Bill Miller's because I literally get chicken tenders everywhere I go. Like, chicken tenders is just bomb.com. I'm a chicken tender fanatic, okay? So Bill Miller's would have to be it. And also my new favorite place would have to be Slim Chickens. That place is so good. Reading the book or watching the movie. Your girl doesn't read, even though I probably should start. But no, I'll watch the movie instead. You could tell me about the book, but I'm gonna tell you how the movie went. You know what I mean? Basketball or medical volleyball? If you're from San Antonio, then like you get this, because during the summer, like towards the end of the summer, my forehead looks big. Medical volleyball is kind of like a thing that we do here in San Antonio. So there's like this place called the Medical Center, and they have like a medical volleyball. Like, everybody from San Antonio basically comes out and play volleyball. I'd pick medical volleyball just because it's way more fun. I was gonna say funner. And I don't know, you get to meet new people from different high schools, colleges, everywhere. So I'd pick that one instead of basketball. What's something you want to improve? I want to improve in my whole YouTube schedule and just uploading for you guys. I did get this one comment that this subscriber, she said, I really do love watching your videos, but you're very inconsistent. And I was just like, you know what, girl, you're right, and I'm gonna fix that. So that's one thing I'm really gonna try to improve, and just improving myself, like everything, you know what I mean? I feel like I've already changed in the past few months, but I feel like I could change more. So there's two things I want to improve. What's the perfect date for you? The perfect date for me, honestly, anything. Like, it could be something real little, like, I don't even care, to be honest. I really want to go into the drive-in movie theater, so maybe, like, I think that'd be super cute and, like, really, like, romantic or whatever, because, like, I see all these things on Pinterest and, like, on Tumblr and stuff like that, and they make it look cute. I love your videos, but you're so inconsistent. That's funny. Are you happy you're out of high school? I get this question a lot. Yes, I am happy I'm out of high school, because if you knew me, I was the type that was like, dude, like, I want to get out of here. I want to get into the real world. Your girl is now in the real world, and I'm just not feeling the real world either, because it's crazy. So if you're still in high school, middle school, wherever you're doing, and you're like below high school, enjoy it while you can, because SHIT gets real out here. How many kids do you want? I think I want 3 or 4. You know, 2 girls, 1 boy, 2 boys, 1 girl. But if I get 4, I could have 2 girls, 2 boys, or I could just have all 4 girls. You know, the combination is just out of the world, you know what I mean? Later on in life, would you want to stay here in Texas or move out? I honestly want to move out of Texas. I've always said this since I was like little, and yeah, or I'd want to move out of San Antonio at least. Maybe not Texas yet, but I probably want to move out of San Antonio for a little bit. So yeah. Have you ever gone out of state? If yes, then where? I have. I've been to Florida for Disney World in 2009, so that was like a long time ago. Is makeup a hobby or just a passion to stunt on these BITCHES? It's a little bit of both, you know what I mean? That was funny. That was a good one. Who's the most important person in your life? I'd say the most important person in my life would have to be my grandpa, because he's always been there for me no matter what, and I've been through a lot of trials and tribulations through my life lately, and I just say that he's always been there for me, and he's always been that person to pick me up no matter what it was, and he's always been positive with me about a lot of things. So I just say that's the most important person in my life and the number 1 person in my life, you know. I wish grandparents could live forever because they're great. Who is your best friend? I have multiple best friends. If I'm being completely honest, I'd say I'd name them. So I'm gonna start from like back then to now. So I'd start with Lauren and Bria. If y'all are watching this, y'all are literally OG best friends. And I'm gonna say Viv and Vanessa and Renee. Those are gonna be my best friends. When's the can't answer that one. Are your DMs always popping with ugly guys, or who's someone you wish you could fight? I don't think there's anybody I wish I could fight, for being completely honest. Do you party a lot? Actually, no, I don't party a lot. I did go through like a little partying stage where I'd go to parties like every other weekend or whatever, like during the month of May. But after that, like I was partied out, and I really don't go to parties. I don't go to clubs. I'm old enough to go to a club. And one of the other questions I got asked was, how old are you? I'm 18. I know I probably don't look 18. I probably look younger, older, whatever. It's literally all over the place. But yeah, I don't party a lot. Beer or liquor? Beer is disgusting. It's disgusting. So I guess liquor. Do you vape? No, I don't vape. What's something you want to improve? I already answered that one. What's the perfect date for you? Let's see. About this topic, and basically it's about the past, and the question was, why did you and Jalen break up? So as some of y'all do know, in the beginning of this channel I did have a boyfriend. I used to talk to him, I used to talk about him a lot, and we did have a YouTube channel. That was another question I got. Is the YouTube channel still up? Yes, the YouTube channel is still up. So yeah, and to go back to the question, the first question was, why did you and Jalen break up? Things weren't working out towards the end, and you know, like, yeah, just things weren't working out towards the end, and it was kind of a mutual agreement at one point that we'd go our separate ways, and if time, you know, cured it. That's pretty much all I have for this Q&A, and I really do hope y'all enjoyed the questions. If y'all want to have another Q&A and ask me other questions about whatever else y'all want, I really don't care, I'll answer it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell to get a notification when I do upload. I almost forgot a question, and the question was, what's your favorite product for curly hair? honestly, I would say Can 2 would be my favorite product. And then this one right here, it's the She Moisture Gel. Basically, it's a styling gel by She Moisture. It comes in this blue little thing, and y'all should totally get it. I recommend it. 10 out of 10. Use code, no, I'm just kidding, I don't have a code for them. But yeah, that's gotta be my favorite, 2 favorite hair products for curly hair. Ooh. Look at me, curly haired cutie. My eyes look red. Freaking tired. There were some customers today at work that were like really trying to try me. They were trying me at work, and I was just like, not today. Y'all really came for me in these Q&As, especially towards the end. Deuces.